This is a fully mechanical Lego slot machine. And I'm so glad to finally be able to say that because this is one of my most complex machines yet. But before we take a look at it, let's go back about a year to my first version. This is version 1, made August 23rd, 2020. While the two function nearly the same, this one was not automatic giving the prize. It showcased a bar that you had to pull, which was not optimal. And that leads us to today, when I show you my version 2 of the fully mechanical working slot machine. To win, you must get 2 blues dispensing a bunch of M&Ms. Coins other than a quarter are all rejected. Once you deposit a quarter, you can pull the lever down to play around. The machine automatically knows if you won or lost. In this case, we lost. This time, we'll begin showcasing some of the mechanism. A coin unlocks the lever, which flips a switch, turning on the machine. The 2 wheels begin spinning on their own until the gears lift up where they spin independently. This yellow piece allows the right one to spin slower, randomizing. The wheels act as a combination lock. Unless 2 blues are displayed, the black pegs block the beams from going down all the way. That was close, but I have a good feeling about the next turn. If the wheels land on 2 blues, M&Ms are dispensed. By removing this bottom trim part, you can access the profits. Now let's look at the mechanism in more depth. Once the lever is pushed down, the switch turns on. This starts the cycle of the chain. At first, the red axle spins. This is the one that spins the 2 wheels. Once the thicker treads are in place, it lifts up the beam, making it stop spinning. Here we can see the 2 gears interlocking, spinning the red axle. Once the thicker treads hit the beam, they separate and no longer spin. To randomize the wheels, the part that spins them is on a rubber band, and this gear here has friction on it, so it only goes down once it's trying to be spun since the friction is greater than the power of the rubber band. This means that when the red axle is spinning, the wheels spin together, but when it stops, this lifts up, allowing them to spin independently. The chain also drives a yellow pin. It interacts with one gear, then the other, then shuts off the machine. The first gear tries to bring the 2 blue pieces down while the second one raises them up. Here, because it's not 2 blues, it is locked. But since it is here, they can go down all the way, dispensing the candy. The M&M dispenser is directly connected to those 2 blue pieces. Here, the M&Ms are dispensed because they can go down all the way. If the wheels are spun differently, the blue piece can't go down all the way, and neither can the platform the M&Ms rest on.